Hi, my name is Anthony Lynn. In 2005, I was in a horrible car accident. I was hit by a car going 50 miles an hour, and I promise you I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the first responders. They told me that I flew 45, 50 feet in the air. The doctor told me, so you're very lucky. It was a miracle.
Hi, Coach. My name is Jim Brittle. This is my partner, Craig Kelly. We're the first two first responders on scene.
Coach, my name is Skyla Bosco. I was the paramedic on Medic Engine 1 that evening.
I've often thought about, who showed up that night. I never thought I'd see you. I mean, it's unbelievable. They said I had to have some angels with me that night to survive. I believe you guys are angels. Thank you, guys. Thank you.